Okay, so today I am making a spicy chicken casserole. I'm using a variety of ingredients. Chili, homegrown in our garden.
That's garlic. Carry on.
Garlic, homegrown in our garden. Some onions, and for the spices I'm using cumin, crushed chilies, paprika, turmeric and a bit of ground ginger. I'm also going to be throwing in some peppers, some tins of tomatoes and a tin of mushrooms to go with it, along with 500 grams of chicken diced. Okay, so when we're cooking on the campsite we tend to use the induction hob because it's a very quick and convenient way of heating food through and cooking. You can also just leave it at say 180, it sets the temperature and it just keeps cooking at that temperature, so you can leave it for 3 hours. The particular dish I'm doing now, I'll be leaving it for 2.5–3 hours, just gently cooking through to get the chicken really nice and tender. So I'm going to start up now.
So Dave's browning the onions in a little bit of olive oil.
Yep, and
Is the garlic in there as well?
Yeah, the garlic and the onions in here. And as they soften I'll be adding the spices to the onions to form a nice base. Okay, so the onions and garlic are softened nicely. So now it's time to add some of the spices. First of all, half a teaspoon of cumin. Half a teaspoon of chili flakes. Smell that cumin already coming through. Half a teaspoon of paprika. Half a teaspoon of turmeric. And finally, half a teaspoon of ginger. Give that a bit of a whiz around. And let those spices infuse with the onion. Now we're just adding some salt. Just really finish off the mix. The next stage is I'll be getting the chicken. Yeah, so the onions are now gently cooking. Now we add the chicken and start to brown that.
Already cut up.
Which is already diced, yes, it was all bought diced, which saves messing around. We're now just going to brown that chicken in the pan. So I've diced 3 peppers. I'm going to add these now to the mix. And then add the tomatoes and mushrooms.
Those are forestier mushrooms, not your run-of-the-mill mushrooms.
Which is good because I don't like them. So somebody can dig them out.
We need to practice that opening action, Dave.
So, here we have it.
Lovely.
Spicy chicken casserole.
So what's going to happen to that now, Dave?
I'm going to whack it up to probably 160. Put the lid on. And it'll cook slowly during the day.
Marvellous.
There we go.
Marvellous. So the creation has been cooking away for a good portion of the day, Dave. How would you say it's coming on?
It looks and smells amazing.
It does smell amazing. I'm looking forward to it. Well, they say the proof of the pudding is in the eating. So let's try Dave's dish. Goes lovely with some frites from the campsite. Bon appetit!